My dear kid, the secret wounds and burdens you bear will eventually fade. The weight of strife, the harsh words, and the sting of failure will all eventually pass. I assure you that your tears will stop and happiness will once more adorn your grin. It will pass, and both you and those around you will have stable footing. Watch my grace and love at work in your life, and rise up bravely, for it is I stand before you in shining splendor, and I swear by what I say. My unending mercy and unfathomable compassion will change your soul into dancing through your pain to heal your weakness and become strong and powerful. Come to me every day and never feel that you are too far away from me. The tranquility I give you will strengthen your heart for the path ahead. My spirit will discover you and pull you near, no matter how far I travel on earth. I bless you and allow my healing grace to mend your heart as you hear this now. Long to infuse you with new vitality, reviving your hopes and dreams in your heart. Rest confident of this, my love for you will always be there, even now, as quiet moments are filled with in the midst of your hectic day. I implore you to make time for prayer. Tasks before the day exhausts you, keep my face in mind. Let you with unwavering courage and an unbreakable spirit, you'll be able to clearly see the obstacles in front of you. As you when you really pray, it will provide light. Use prayer to communicate your beliefs. I promise that doors will open before you, but if you have any doubts, if you're afraid that the chance will elude you, creep in. Revive the spirit that drives you to act with confidence and vitality. Hope for a prosperous future and fortifies your determination with unflinching conviction when I promise to guide you into the light, and since you have stuck to our agreement, you should be on the lookout for adversity still lingers, attempting to disturb the complacent sympathy of those who harbor resentment or jealously toward you, as a result of which they have turned against me and their plans will not succeed. Gains will be forfeited because I'm always choosing where to put your. Have faith in me without hesitation, remain upbeat and self-assured without fear or hopelessness being within me. You are eternally blessed, and my heart is at ease when I'll watch over your family all night long while you spend time with me today. Your family is asleep. Will provide you with heavenly fortitude. I'm opening your eyes and I see brightness in your eyes, spirit, to see the abundance of blessings coming your way. Have already advanced greatly, and with my encouragement, you and your family will soon arrive in a place of wealth and peace. Delight in a world of fresh adventures and heavenly will to endure and prevail. I will purify your heart, and together we will eliminate any residual bad habits and spiritual ties that are preventing it. As you purge all bitterness from your spirit and let go of grudges, your life will miraculously change as my life-giving energy flows through you, and your friends and family will observe and be amazed at the transformation you're going through. The pain and worry will pass. I've previously informed you that you won't always have to fight the same struggles. You've continuously committed your heart to me, accepting and observing my teachings and commandments. Your faith has persisted to this day, because you have acknowledged me as your deity. Because my ancestors thought I was with you and loved you, I am with you right now. Having blessed you from the start, this is a day of enormous deliverance for you and your family. Have fulfilled my promises to you. Now it's your turn to have total faith and trust, and I love you with all of my heart, and I have no qualms about it. Take me out into the world. I know all the struggles you go through, but that doesn't change how much I love you. I see you, hear your sighs, sense of being lost, and you with my hand in yours. At your wit's end and you can see no path ahead, but please think about this. maybe you're staring in the wrong direction, but here I am, your path, your hope, your truth, and the path ahead route you have to go, because I am your life and your future, even if you lose all patience, hope, and purpose in your path, and I, your Lord, will bring you to your desired destination during my how I will guide you to overcome obstacles and when your spirit and intellect are weak and exhausted, but I will give you strength and peace, don't give up just yet. Are more likely to fulfill my promises than you think, therefore now more than ever, you must have faith in me. Fully understand that I am the source of all assistance, so contact me before taking any make wise decisions and don't throw away the things you've fought so hard to get. You've demonstrated your faith to me, this is not a race, and you are not required to prove anything to anyone. Now, get on with your route, go confidently, slowly, and gradually, and you will arrive to the destination of prosperity and blessing. You'll remember my words when you go to your promised land and give me thanks if you. I assure you that you will be prepared and have faith so that you can obtain the when the time comes. Know that I have heard and will continue to hear the concerns and miracle supply you seek for. Issues you bring to me in prayer, and even before you turn to face me, I was planning your response. Battling for your favor, so maintain your faith and give me thanks. A few fundamental responsibilities include praying and keeping discouragement at bay. Keep your distance from people who attempt to undermine your faith and surround yourself with people who uplift and deepen it. And get closer to me so you can see that I'm mindful of your needs and that I want you well. Challenges are more than simply the outward signs of illness and day-to-day challenges you face in your quest for a positive outcome in life to come, but also the significant risks you confront and the difficulties you have in providing for your loved ones. Even though my work on this miracle is going slowly, you still need to keep going. Going forward, I'll be your bulwark and your helping hand while you bow down in fear. Place your hands on your head, approach me, and pledge to help me. I have faith in you. Are courageous, but they fear you. This is not the place or time to go alone. They fear you because of your blessings, but don't be alarmed. Unstoppable while you're with me, and you'll get the miracle I've chosen to offer you when I've chosen to deliver it. Take a step back, trust me, and patiently await my assistance. You to accomplish great things because, as your faith indicates, it is getting closer to you. I accept petitions that are prayed with sincerity, love, and compassion. Devotion. I will fulfill my full potential in my own time and respond to your demands, with the exception of using my response as a blessing. It's intended for your benefit. Please take it. Bless others in return and give freely and generously and abundantly, and you will receive back from the blessings you send forth. I want to bless you 1,000 times more, but you have to have faith and perseverance. And you must endure and not give up when faced with difficulties in order to obtain the rewards I bestow upon you. With great compassion, I send you my blessings in order to calm your soul. And make excellent use of these gifts, they will significantly multiply. These blessings are my way of providing for your well-being. Wealth and plenty, well-being for you and your family, inner serenity, and I offer you support and encouragement for your heart, as well as aid and safety for your family. These blessings are for my glory, not yours to brag about in front of others. I've given you gifts, use them to benefit others. Bless and assist people I have put in front of you. Pay close attention to what I am saying, pay attention to what I am saying, and believe what I say. Those who do not question or voice complaints will be blessed. However, Abide by the commitments I have made. These are the commitments that impact your recovery and deliverance. Tell me what you think, then behave appropriately. Get up and take action to do the now is the moment to think that there is good you can accomplish. Now is the time to plan and dream. The time is almost here for you to get your comeuppance and be paid for your conception. Selected you and endowed you with a brave heart that can withstand all evil, and demonstrating my victory over all, I give you my peace. Do not be afraid that you conquer rather than run away or cower. I'll give you the tools you need. You have asked for my blessing and prosperity many times so that you can achieve the glorious vision ahead of you, and now it is here. Finally, allow yourself to move forward with confidence and power if this is my plan for you. Appears to be a little unclear at the moment. Don't be afraid to empty yourself and open your heart and go back to my word, which is knowledge in its purest form. I'm with you, my darling child. Go on with confidence and fearlessness. Issues will pass, and those who oppose you will see my favor when. Nothing on earth can stop the gifts I give you. I am your blanket and your shelter. And I send my angels to protect you wherever you go, because my love for you is the only thing that determines your fate. Exceeds anything else before my perfection appears in your life. I promise to love you completely and to guide you patiently. You will, I promise, no longer believe the things of this world and be afraid of what it has to say about you. Let my words wash away the lies that cut to the core of your being and make you cry. Desperation is not an option. Choice for you, and I won't let it happen. You will experience my love, widen your heart, and stop hearing voices when I declare that you are loved in innumerable ways, at all times, and that I am giving you confidence and assurance to let go of negative feelings. And freedom from other people's opinions. Don't give other people's statements much weight before you've experienced my presence. I know you. You have a nice heart, and you are clearly meant to have relatives and friends that genuinely care about you. Spend time getting to know me, taking care of the people you love, and helping those in need. I want to use you as a beacon in becoming an honest role model in your community. You'll inspire others to follow me, and when I encourage you, and with my blessings, I'll give you the strength to shine. I swear to you that I'll do great things through you. Do not fear. I will transform your sadness into strength and your tears into joy. Endure, know that I will bring you joy, health, and escape from suffering to save you yourself from severe grief and hefty loads of worry and hopelessness. Just trust what I'm saying to you, adhere to these instructions in every manner, and I'll be fair and just about it. Your spirit should be filled with my glory, power, and strength so that it can embrace every part of you and cover them with my glory. Put on the spiritual armor that can only provide protection so that my might and majesty may permeate every aspect of you. In this visible conflict, you contend with spiritual foes and spiritual issues. The victor is the one who endures. You have to put up a decent fight in order to win your life, since that is what they are ultimately trying to do. Take note, however, that you were intended for triumph and everlasting life, not ruin. I'll never allow you to fail because I know you have me at your side. Protecting your route, fortifying your determination, raising the banner of your religion, brandishing your sword, I promise to be truthful. And you really need to be more persistent than the scribes and Pharisees. Need to pray more than they did, and pay close attention to my commands when I call out to you in times of terror and suffering. I will come. I shall bring supernatural powers to you and provide you victorious armor. Marvels ahead of you, the hopes and dreams you've cried over for so long will finally come to pass. Goodbye to sorrow, and smash all the voices who tell you that victory isn't possible. If you have trust, even one step will bring you there. However, if your legs are weak, then your back is hunched over, extend your hand, and I will raise you up so you can hold to me and follow in my vows' footsteps. My feet and get firmly grounded by grasping my advice. GD your loins with thee in all my joy, may the full armor of my righteousness be established under authority. Use your specific armor to protect your heart and mind via faith so that you can fend against evil on the day of put on your armor and pray constantly for yourself and your prayers for family, friends, and everyone in need will be extremely important. And remember this, I love you, walk straight. May this new season bring you grace and serenity. Then raise your gaze. You possess the courage of a lion and the spirit of an eagle, so you can wait. With a heavy heart, but don't worry, agitation will subside and those gloomy transient feelings will fade, but my love for you endures forever, and today I will drive out gloom. Eliminate hopelessness from you, I'll direct your course, console you, and stand by your side even when your adversaries conquer. Remain devoted to me, have faith in me, and I will bring you to the next door and enthusiastically knock on that door continuously and stubbornly without giving up until it opens wide for you. I want you to experience this so you can fully grasp how much you have changed. You were never the same person. Society made you feel like a helpless, impoverished person. Failure means that voice is no longer in charge of you and that you are not worth decided by a stranger's remark or your adversary's taunts. Going forward, raise your head with the assurance that you are and the confidence of a king or queen down any path, anywhere in the globe. Your faith in me, my child, remains with me, and you can be sure of my greatest benefits. And those who fear dark days will have their wildest aspirations fulfilled. Protected those of you without assurance that you are going to be exalted by me, because you are familiar with my name and I am the one that summoned you out of. Thank you for forgiving who you used to be. Darkness into this life, and I am the one who will lift you up on the last day.